Welcome, AI enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the powerful and cost-effective Mistral Large model available on Google Cloud. This model can be found in the Vertex AI Model Garden, a rich environment where Google offers a wide array of proprietary and open-source models for users to leverage. To get started, search for the Mistral Large model in the Vertex AI Model Garden. You'll be prompted to enable the Vertex AI service, which is essential for accessing Google Cloud's end-to-end machine learning services. Once you've located the model, simply click Enable to begin using it. The Mistral Large model operates as a model-as-a-service approach with consumption-based pricing. It costs a few dollars per million tokens, which can be quite economical for occasional use or learning purposes. However, keep in mind that costs may accumulate quickly for larger pipelines or production-level tasks. After enabling the model, you'll find example code provided in Bash and Python. Don't worry if you prefer other programming languages, you can use any language that can interact with the API endpoint. For this demonstration, we'll use the Cloud Shell, which simplifies authentication and configuration processes. To set up the model, you'll need to specify the model name, version, region, and project ID. Once configured, you can execute a curl command to interact with the model. The Cloud Shell conveniently handles authentication with Google Cloud, making this process smooth and straightforward. When you run your request successfully, you'll receive an output containing the model's response content. Additionally, you'll see important metadata, such as the number of tokens consumed by your prompt, the number of completion tokens generated, and the total token count. This information is crucial because it directly relates to the cost of using the service. It's worth noting that if the model doesn't perfectly fit your needs out of the box, Google provides a Colab Enterprise notebook for fine-tuning. This allows you to adjust the model to better suit your specific requirements, giving you more flexibility in how you use the Mistral Large model. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. We'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions and want to thank you for watching. Please enjoy responsibly.